Crop protection. Do you know, still the production of crop has many other obstacles to be taken care? Some of them are weeds, insects, and plant diseases. Now, let us learn to find some more details about them. Weeds. Did you ever visit a crop in villages? Then you might observe along with plants in the field, you can find some other plants with them. Those plants are called as weeds. Do you know how the weeds affect the plants? The weeds affect the water supply, nutrients, sunshine, etc., which are available to the plants. Hence, the field should be weeded at regular intervals. Insects and plant diseases. Apart from weeds, plants are also affected by insects. But there are also some insects which eat the stems of the plants, nibble the leaves, and destroy the roots, thus affect the production of crop. Other than insects, some of the microorganisms also destroy the crops. Even though some of the microorganisms help in the supply of nitrogen to the plants, but some others destroy the crops. We can't see the microorganisms on the plants, but we can find how it causes destruction to the plants. Microorganisms causes shriveling and discoloration of leaves, rusting of stems and leaves, fungal growths, etc. Hence, to protect the crops, farmers apply insecticides, fungicides, and chemicals, etc. to the crop. But even though those insecticides, chemicals, etc. are helpful to the crop from pests, they're also being harmful to the health of the human beings. Let us find how. When chemicals are sprayed to the plants, most of them remain in the soil and find their way into the water sources, which are harmful to the human health. When the farmers spray chemicals to the field, they're also getting exposed to them, inhale them, and thus it enters into the human body. Alternative measures are introduced to prevent such complications. For example, natural pest controlling methods. Along with harmful insects, we can also find some eco-friendly insects which help to protect the crop from these harmful insects. For example, spiders, dragonfly, ladybird beetle, mirids, etc. These insects eat worms like jacids, thrips, and stem borers, etc. Some bacteria like Trichoderma bacterium, Bacillus, thuringiensis destroy some of the pests in the egg stage itself. Mixed crops also can control some of the pest and insect diseases. Cultivation of black gram or groundnut after paddy crop prevents Tungrovirus on paddy. After cotton, cultivation of maize and gingerly prevents the gram caterpillar. After red gram, cultivation of maize and corn prevents spotted bollworm and dried diseases. Thus, with introducing natural control methods, both improvement in food production and sustaining soil health and environmental protection can be achieved.